Brad Williams, XL Primed. We're using drop and VSTACK to do what? We're going to show the combined scores from rounds 1 and 3 to new lists. We have our building blocks. We have our Lego blocks. We have 1, 2, and 3. This is a review for the most part. We're using VSTACK. The only difference here is we're dropping. We're going to drop some data. Notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. We're only going to show rounds 1 and 3, including the golfer. Here is the formula. We have drop VSTACK. VSTACK is array driven. Whatever we put in there, here's our final output. Then notice we're using -1 here in the drop. I'm going to drop a specific column. Which one? -1. And if you can see, there's a mistake here. There's just a typo. The obvious error is notice the score. When you're doing this stuff, be sure you monitor your output. We have round 3, and we said up here, combine the scores from rounds 1 and 3. It should be rounds 1 and 2 if we use this -1. This -1 means we're taking out this last column. So this should say golfer round 1, round 2. I'm going to pause and make a change. With those changes in place, you can see the outcome. Hit F9 just to verify. Review your data. We have Rebecca, round 1, 81, matches. Round 2, 74. Go to the bottom. We have Brad. We have 82 and 66. Now, one of the troubling parts of this is a text box. And in most cases, I can go in here and edit this. And when I try to edit the text in this text box, it won't allow it. That being said, I want you to practice, practice, practice. If this VSTACK is bothering you, tear it apart. Get rid of the drop. Look at just the VSTACK. Then just look at drop and put drop together. Then marry them. Put the nest together. Come up with this matching output. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.